ask you to complete this by writing the remaining one. So can you tell me how many of you have done that? Or do you have any problem, any issues doing this? Yes, any doubts? Or have you completed all? Or do you have any gaps? ඔක්කොම කරාද? gaps තියනවද මොනවා හරි? දේවදිසි? Maria, have you done all or do you have any gaps? Any doubts? Okay, I can't hear you guys. Yes? Okay, so I think you need some help, right? Okay, so let's continue from the control key then. So I just asked, so what are the keys used in this keyboard and what is their basic functionality or the process and any additional processes, if any, right? Okay, let's write the processes of these keys. So control keys, why control key is used? What the control key you can karane? Yes. Sorry. Why control key is used? Can anyone tell? Dolnita, why control key is used? You were there in the single medium class also, I think. Hello.
It is using give the command.
It is basically used to execute commands, right? So this key, please write down under the control key. This key is mainly used to give commands, mainly used to give commands in various applications. In combination with the other keys. Example, you can say, so what are the example? Control key can be used with C to copy. Control key can be used with V to paste. Control key and Z to undo. Control key and A to select all. Control key and B to bold. Control key and I to italic. Control key and U to underline. Control key and so likewise a lot of commands. Control key and Y for redo. So likewise it is used with many other keys. Okay, any additional usage other than this control key? Mainly for commands, so no any additional usage, mainly used for commanding. And similar to that, ALT key is also used for commanding, right? So ALT key is also used for commanding. Alt, ALT, and space is a command. ALT and tab. ALT and F4 for close in a window. Alt tab for shifting between windows. Additional use, there's additional usage for ALT key. When, sorry.
Webcam එක off කරගෙන ඉන්නකොට
picture එකක් දාගන්නේ කොහොමද?
එතන තියෙනවා නේද පුතේ මේ කැමරා එකේ ඔප්ෂන්ස් වලට තියෙනවානේ වීඩියෝ එකේ තියෙනවා වීඩියෝ සෙටින්ග්ස් වලයි එතන අර තියෙන්නේ choose virtual background කියලා. හරි ඒ දෙකෙන් පුළුවන්.
මට පොඩ්ඩක් හොයලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
මොකද පුතේ?
ඒක
මං හිතනවා ඒක ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් එකේදී අහනවා නම් හොඳයි කියලා. මොකද නැත්තම් පාඩමේ දැන් ඒක ඔයාට විතරක් තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නේ පුතේ. ඉතින් වැඩි හොඳයිවා ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් එකේදී ඒක අහලා මේව කරගන්න එක. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මම කොමන්ඩ් කිව්වේ ඒක දා ගන්නවා නම් ඔතන තියෙනවා start video එකට එහා පැත්තේ තියෙනවා choose virtual background කියලා. එකෙන් පුළුවන්. හරි ඊළඟට ALT key එක when you are in an application ALT key can be used to activate keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts activate කරන්න ALT key එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. keyboard shortcut එකක්. දැන් ඔයා word පාවිච්චි කරනවා කියන්නේ word වල ඉන්න ගමන් ALT එක press කරාම keyboard shortcuts activate වෙනවා. keyboard shortcut ඒ කියන්නේ keyboard එකේ අකුරු වල යටින් ඉරක් ඇඳෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ අකුර highlight වෙලා පෙන්නනවා. Okay, I'll give you a chance to share your screen. මම එක්කෙනෙකුට දෙන්නම්කෝ screen එක share කරන්න. එතකොට අපි බලමු. Have you finished writing?
yes sir.
Okay. Can you share the screen? Okay. Manu, open MS Word. And can you press ALT button? ALT button. Word වල ඉන්න ගමන් දැක්කද ALT button එක press කරාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? You can see some highlighted keys. Okay, when you press let's press H key. H akura press කරන්න. Then you can see home menu and all the letters are highlighted. But if you want to like for an example, if you want to select font FF, F akura depara press කරන්න font එක select කරන්න FF. Then you can select the font. Right? Again press ALT key. ALT key එක ආයෙ press කරන්න. ALT key. Okay, macro mode එකේ ඉන්නේ. You have to go to the view and stop recording. View menu, stop recording. Otherwise, everything is recorded. Right, okay. Right. Then press ALT key and N key. N key එකෙන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Insert. N අකුර press කරාම insert. Picture එකක් ගන්න නම් මොන අකුරද press කරන්න ඕන? Which letter to insert a picture?
T.
P. Yes, it is letter P. Right. Likewise, you can see there's a sub menu activated, right? There's a sub menu activated when you press ALT key. Right? Likewise, you can go, then after that, you can use the keyboard and navigate through these keys. That is another advantage of ALT key. Right? කරලා බලන්න ඕලා ඉන්න ගමන් word වල ඉන්න ගමන් notepad වල ඉන්න ගමන් zoom වල ඉන්න ගමනොත් ALT press කරලා බලන්න. Sometimes for zoom also you are getting a menu. Some letters. Don't know. Is it coming for zoom also?
No, sir.
No, not for zoom. Right. Word වලට එනවා නේ. notepad එනවා. paint වලට please go and see paint. For paint also it will come. For word it is coming. Notepad it is coming. Right, okay.
So it's
Yes, paint for paint also it's coming, right? And the next thing is Windows key that you know to activate Windows menu. To activate Windows menu. And here you can use it with We can use it to give commands with various other keys. So what are the keys? You can say Windows key and D key, and Windows key and R key, Windows key and E key, Windows key and L key will lock your string. Windows key and L key will lock your string. Okay, that is about this Windows key. Please write down that as well. Okay, if you are done, if you're finished, please let me know. So please write down everything about the control key, ALT key, Windows key, and if you have doubt, please let me know, then I can explain. In Mac OS, instead of this Windows key, there's a key called command key. In Mac OS MacBook එකක වගේ නම් පාට command key එක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ALT key එක වෙනුවට here you can see this key is called command key. Can you see? This is the command key in Mac OS. Okay, so let's go back to the web. Then space bar to give spaces between letters and words. So you can use it with other keys to give commands. Example, you can say ALT and space key will activate window menu. And the next one is application key. Application key is not there in every machine, right? So in some computers, application key or menu key is there, but in some computers, you can't find it. You'll not.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, I have that key.
In your computer, you have. So sometimes in some computers, you cannot find that, right?
So on my computer, I can't find it.
So it can be because application key is optional. It's not compulsory to have. So, but desktop machines you might have, but in other machines you might not. Okay, if you have it can be used to obtain right-click menu. So if you press this key, it will give the right-click menu related to the application. Del key. Del key can be used to delete from left to right. Delete from left to right. Or delete a selected content. When you go to a beginning of the line and start pressing deleting key, it will start deleting from left to right. But if you are in the end of the line, when you start pressing backspace key, then only it's deleting. End of the line na backspace again delete karanna. Beginning of the line na delete again delete karanna. Try this in your computer also. But in MacBooks or in Mac computer, you have only one delete. That is similar to backspace. But in Windows computer, you have two keys for deleting. That is delete key and backspace key. Without a backspace again, end of the line. But delete key will delete when you are in the beginning of the line. Sometimes dot is also with this key. Sometimes dot or apostrophe is also there with this key.
Yes, sir. In my lab.
We can also use this with other keys to activate some commands. Example, you can say ALT CTRL plus delete. That will activate special menu, Alt Control Delete. So it will stop all other tasks. And it task ඔක්කොම නවත්තලා it will give you a prompt. So normally වාගේ computer එක struck වුණොත්, හිර වුණොත්, වැඩ කරන්නේ නැතුව ගියොත් ඔයාට මේක දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ALT එකයි control එකයි delete එකයි තුනම එකට. Then it will prompt a window. Window එකක් පෙන්නලා අහනවා task manager එක open කරන්නද, shut down කරන්නද, user switch කරන්නද, එහෙම අහනවා. This is also in Windows machines, right? Alt Control Delete.
So I pressed that keys that happened.
You will get that menu, right? That is powerful because it will stop all other tasks. Think that your computer is very slow. Then you can press this and see whether you can give a command. Maybe to shut down, maybe to get the task manager. Alt, Control and Delete. All three keys together. දැන් අපි සිංගල් මීඩියම් ටාස්ක් එක කර කර ඉඳිද්දිත් එක්කෙනෙක් කිව්වා යාගේ කම්පියුටර් එකට ලොග් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ද ඒක සම්පූර්ණයෙන් බ්ලැක් වුණා කියලා. Windows අයින් වෙලා ගියා. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මේක කියලා දීලා තිබ්බේ මම කිව්වා can you press this Alt Control and Delete then go to the task manager and see. So then he did that. So soon after that, so that issue was gone. Right, Alt Control.
In my computer, my computer also stuck. When I press the button, there will be.
Yeah, you can use this. Okay, then home key. This is also there in some laptops. In my one, I cannot find any home key.
I can't find two.
Yeah, but some laptops.
I can't find two, sir.
But desktops, you have. If you have that, so in my one, there's a shortcut for home key. That is FN and up arrow. FN and up arrow. FN key and up arrow will go to the home. It is acting similar to the home key. FN and up arrow. FN and down arrow is similar to end key. Because I don't have home key. Right? Therefore, I can press FN and up, FN and down to move in the pages.
Finish.
Okay. Then home key. Right. If you want to change the again, since you're asking the same question in the chat, so if you want to change the profile picture, you have to again go to the. So where you can change the profile picture in Zoom.
We need to log to the Zoom.
Yeah, you have to log into the Zoom. Then after that, using what? Using your web browser, you can log into the Zoom and then change. So that is how you're doing it, right? So so I found this interesting feature in the Zoom. So let me show that as well. So that is something interesting. And so you can also try this, right? This is something like, this is not related to lesson, but
Okay.
just showing. I'm using expression camera. And to this expression camera, basically, okay, now we can see the expression camera, and I'm going to select a picture like this. Maybe let's use picture of okay, Mona Lisa. You have a picture of Mona Lisa, right? Now you can see Mona Lisa is talking for you. on behalf of me. Mona Lisa is talking, and what I can do is I can just keep that as it is and then change to Zoom, right? And I'm going to turn on the video in Zoom. Okay, now my video is turned on. So can you see me, Lisa?
Yes, sir. It's like
Yes, sir.
Mona Lisa talking.
Right, now you can see Mona Lisa is talking on behalf of me, right? That is the thing. And if you want Mona Lisa to be changed, and I can select someone else, like so let's use Shahrukh. Now you can see Shahrukh Khan is talking on behalf of me, right? So likewise, so this is interesting feature where you can morphologically change image, maybe use someone else's image and start talking using that image. And all the expressions, even eye expressions, you can see using his face, not using my face, right? Right. Next day, I can see a lot of people, maybe some, maybe Mona Lisa or maybe Shah Rukh Khan or someone else, right? They're trying to participate the classes, right? That is expression camera. Right? That is expression camera. Right now, don't try to change it now. Later you can do it. Right? Later in another medium, maybe not in the IT class, you can use it in your science class or maths class or some other class. You can change your face and act as maybe your favorite actor or favorite actress. So you can put the image and start.
You have to download the app.
Yeah, you have to download the app that is using expression camera. Expression camera. There's an app called expression camera, and you can configure that by putting an image. Expression camera. There are some alternative apps also. This is one thing. This is another, just one thing. So there are some alternatives similar to this. There are some other apps. In future, maybe we can't find the actual person. So one thing that I have tested, right? So, but I'm not going to do that. Don't worry. One thing that I have tested is because someone else can use my face, right? And start delivering the lecture like me. But voice need to be the same anyway. So voice can be simulated. Again, voice can be simulated. But so someone else can use my picture and doing the lesson, right? So that is the thing, other side. Okay, so now don't try to change your view, right? Later we'll do that. Not now, maybe you can use in some other class, not today. Otherwise you will defocus from the lesson. Right, okay, then home. Home key is used to in word processing. Home is used to navigate to the beginning. Can be used with Control and Shift keys for cursor movement and selection. So that is home key. And if you have end key, the same usage. Sorry, that's my mistake. So if you have end key also not there in laptops, right? Some laptops you can find, but some laptops you can't find. End key is also used to move to the end. And you can also use with the Control and Shift keys for use for cursor navigation or cursor movement and selection. These two keys basically not in the laptops, but some laptops you can find. Insert key. Control plus insert can be used Control plus insert can be used to copy. Insert key is also used to activate overtype mode. Overtype mode activate karanna. Please write down this. And I'll explain what is overtype mode after writing this, right? Please write down this first. If you are finished, please let me know. Then we can see how to change the overtype mode.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll give you a chance to share the screen. You can share the screen now. Someone can share the screen and I'll tell how to change that mode. Right, okay, I can see your screen now. Others can also see. Go to the Word, MS Word. Please go to MS Word. And there, please go to the File, then Options. In File menu, you have something called Options. Others can also try, right? File menu, the first one. First one is the File menu. There you have Options. Options කියලා එකක් තියෙනවනේ යටම ඉතින් File Options. ඒ options වල තියෙනවා. In that option, so can you see word options? Word options. But you can just go move down, scroll down. But startup options are there, and not word options. Just go to the save language options. Advanced, go to advanced. Advanced. Yeah, there can you see word options? Yes. Go down and you can see the word options. Display, general, word killing. Slow down. I cannot see. Cut, copy, paste. Okay. Move, just and yeah, go to the editing option. Editing options. Editing options. Right, you here you can see, yeah, first one. Issala udama තියෙන. නෑ advanced වල උඩටම යන්න. හරි, ඔය තියෙන editing options. හරි, ඒකට යන්න. අනිත් අයත් ඒකට යන්න ඕනේ. word options වල advanced වලට ගිහිල්ලා advanced වල තියෙනවා editing options කියලා එකක්. ඒකේ තියෙනවා use overtype mode කියලා. ඒකට ඉස්සරහින් තියෙනවා use insert key to control overtype mode කියලා. Just tick on both. You have to tick both. Okay, now click OK. Okay, how to go to that location again? Again, please go File menu, then the last one, Options. There you have Advanced, and from Advanced under Editing Options, you have use insert key to control overtype mode, and then use overtype mode. Okay, then click OK. Click OK. Now type your name, Manudha. Type your full name. Okay, now go to the beginning of this. Go to the beginning of this. Right. Now press insert key. Insert key එක එකපාරක් press කරන්න. After pressing insert key, can you type again? Type something again. No, you have not pressed the insert key. Again, press the insert key. And now start typing. Yeah, what is happening? You type something else, then space and your school. Put space and your school. ස්පේස් එකක් තියලා වගේ ස්කෝල් එක ටයිප් කරා. මනුද කියලා ස්පේස් එකක් තියලා මුලට යන්න. go to don't erase. නිකම්ම ටයිප් කරන්න යන්න. මනුද කියලා ලියලා ස්පේස් එකක් තියලා වගේ ස්කෝල් එක ටයිප් කරා. So what's happening?
පළවෙනි අකුර යටින් ඉරක් ඇඳෙනවා.
නෑ. ඔයාලට පේනවද ඉස්සරහා තියෙන අකුරු delete වෙගෙන යනවා. පිටිපස්සෙන්
අකුර වෙලා දැන් ලියන අකුරු වදිනවා.
යාර ඒකට තමයි ඕවර් ටයිප් කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඕක ඉස්සරහට කියලා ඔයාගේ නම ටයිප් කරන්න. Go to the in front of that and type your name. So it will basically delete your words and start typing the new one. Deleting and typing together. That is called overtype. එක උඩ එක type කරනවා කියන එකක් වගේ තමයි වෙන්නේ. That is the overtype mode. Okay, that is after the activating that part, right? That is after the activating overtype mode, right? So this is how you activate and run the overtype mode in MS Word. Anyone else need help activating the mode? තව කාට හරි උදව්වක් ඕනද? කරගන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැති කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද? Then I can help, right? If anyone need help, you can share, right? Okay. So go to MS Word. Then go to File. There you have options. Options, the last one. Options here. Go to that. There are Advanced. Please go to Advanced. Yes. Click on that and then tick on the insert key and overtype mode both. Yeah, both. You have to tick both. Please tick both. ඒ දෙකටම හරියට දාන්න. එකක් tick කරන්න. හරි. Then click OK. Then type your name or type something. Maybe your name you can type. Yeah, start typing. Right. Go to the beginning of the name. V අකුරට කලින් තැනට යන්න. Please go to the beginning of your name. Just move the cursor there and press insert key. Insert key එක press කරලා. Just press the insert key and type another one, maybe school or your city. No. I insert key එක press කරා. තව එකපාර. Then type කරා city එක. All right. Now you can see it's deleting the letters and type in the new one. It's deleting the letters and type in your, that is called overtype, right? So that is another feature of insert key. Insert key can use to activate the overtype mode. So I'll write how to activate that. How you can go to file menu. There you
Sir,
have.
when I press insert key, it don't work.
That's what I asked. Whether if you cannot do, please share. Then I can help. Can you share it quickly? Okay, share it quickly. Then I'll guide. Okay. Have you activated overtype mode? Go to the file menu. Options. Advanced. Here you have not ticked the second one. Use overtype. Then now click OK. Now it will work. Now type something. Okay, go to the beginning and type another thing. Here. Let's erase in and type. Okay, so file options. Then from that you have to go to the advanced. From the file option, please go to the advanced. And from the advanced options, you have to tick two parts under editing options. Tick overtype mode and also tick use insert key to control in editing section So this is how you activate in overtype mode. And control insert, when you press control insert, when you select something, control insert will copy, shift insert will paste. When you select something and when you press control insert, it will copy.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the PowerPoint, they not overtype enough.
Sorry.
In the PowerPoint, there are not the option for that.
Yes. Yes, that is for word processing applications. So most of the word processing application you have overtype mode, and coding applications also you have. Coding වලක් තියෙනවා. Coding ලියන ඒවාත් සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවා. Python and right. Then page down. Used to navigate to the bottom of the page in word processing applications. Word processing applications can be used here, can be used with control and shift keys for cursor movement and selection. So similar to this, and here page down is also used to navigate to the top of the page in word processing application, and can be used with the control shift keys for cursor movement and selection. Enter is confirming commands and confirming commands. When you press enter, after selecting something, when you press enter, it will open. After getting a menu, if it is asking, if it is given a message, press enter, it will confirm the command. Go to run and type a command, press enter, it will confirm the command. And it can be used for line break. Confirming commands and line break. Go to the next line, you can use enter. Control can be used with other keys to do execute some commands. Example, you can press control enter, command enter. Or you can press alt enter. So this will give some special cases. Alt enter will sometimes make something full screen. Alt enter. Alt enter. In my one, it's just copy in the previous line, right? Immediate line. Control enter. It's deleting. It's adding a page break. Page break. Page control enter. It will add a page break. Alt enter. Alt enter සමහරවිට පාවිච්චි වෙනවා full screen එකට. Screen size එක වැඩි කරලා full screen කරන්න. You can use alt enter.
Google එකක එහෙමනම් මේ new Google එකක් නේද?
මොකද්ද පුතේ?
Google වල ඉන්නවනම්